from Tampa Bay's news leader. This is 10 News at 11.
On this one. Yeah, and finally on a night when the NHL season was supposed to begin, the Lightning instead hosted a celebration of the arts at the Tampa Bay Times Forum. 41 pieces of local art were chosen to enlighten the executive suite level at the Forum. Jeff Vinik and his wife Penny spearheaded the event.
She's been very active and very community-minded herself, and tonight's the first indication of that, and it's a great night. As I said, hockey meets art, something I love, something she loves, and we put together what I think is a really fun and really enjoyable evening.
Something else I heard today, you know, last year Jeff and Penny Vinik gave $50,000 at every home game to some deserving individual in the community. 50 grand.
Wow.
Well, you know, the season's on hold.
Right.
Yeah. He's still going to do it even though they're not playing any games.
I like this guy.
Yeah. For every home game they would have played,
I like this guy.
Still giving away 50 grand.
That's awesome.
And he walks quietly. I remember at the Republican National Convention, he kind of came through, and I said, a lot of good improvements at the he says good investment.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, we'll be right back.